Hello everyone, welcome to the channel YouMathsTube. We are going to solve two more word problems today. The first problem is problem 1. Mr. Bob won $1,300 in the lottery. He kept $640 for himself and split the rest of his money evenly among his 4 children. How much money did each child receive? Let the money received by each child is X dollars. Since there are 4 children, so total money received by 4 children is 4 times X or 4X dollars. This 4X dollar equals the total amount of money owned in the lottery minus the amount of money he kept for himself. Therefore, this 4X equals $1,300 minus 640. So we get 4x equals 660. X equals 660 divided by 4, or x equals 165, which means the money received by each child is $165. So the money received by each child is $165. This is the end of the first problem. Then we'll start the next problem. Problem number 2. A zoo feeds 13 lions 78 kg of meat and 16 wolves 64 kg of meat in each meal. If the zookeeper needs to order meat for 9 lions and 13 wolves, how much meat is needed? So let one lion needs X kg of meat, but there are 13 lions here. So 13 lions need total 13 times X or 13X kg of meat. So this 13X kg equals 78 kg here. So therefore 13X equals 78, or X equals 78 divided by 13, or X equals 6. So one lion needs 6 kg of meat since the value of X is 6. But we have to find the amount of meat needed for 9 lions. So we get 1 lion needs 6 kg of meat. 9 lions need 9 times 6 or 54 kg of meat. We'll do the same thing for the wolves. Again, let one wolf needs Y kg of meat, but there are 16 wolves. There are 16 wolves in the question. So 16 wolves need total 16 Y kg of meat, but this 16 Y equals the amount which is 64 kilo according to the question. So we get 16Y equals 64, or Y equals 64 divided by 16, or Y equals 4. So one wolf needs 4 kg of meat, but we have to find meat for 13 wolves. Here 13 wolves. So we get one wolf needs 4 kg of meat. 13 wolves need 13 times 4, or 52 kg of meat. So the total amount of meat needed for 9 lions and 13 wolves is 54 plus 52 kilo or kg, which is 106 kg. So this is the total amount of meat needed for 9 lions and 13 wolves. This is the end of problem number 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll solve some more problems in the coming videos. Thank you.